If you want to get the best portable table saw according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position, we have DEWALT table saw DEWALT. DEWALT makes fantastic tools, and this particular table saw is no exception. It's powered by a huge 15 ampere motor, which then pushes the 10 inches blade at speeds of up to 5,800 RPM. That means it delivers clean cuts in next to no time. It also has an impressive rip capacity of 24 inches, which is accompanied by its own telescopic fence design. The cutting depths are pretty standard, with this model offering 3 1/8 inches at 90 degrees before it drops to 2 1/4 inches at 45 degrees. However, I still feel that's perfectly reasonable. But I did say this was a portable table saw, and it only weighs some 48 pounds. That is practically nothing. Yet even on this small table, you still have everything you need. Moving on to the next at number 2 with DEWALT 10-inch table saw DW-7491RS. DW-7491RS comes with a 15 ampere motor and a 10 inches blade, but you get a table with a larger rip capacity at 32.5 inches. That means it can handle bigger stock, and does so with absolute ease. The blade, in this instance, spins at 4,800 RPM, and that's more than enough for it to deliver clean cuts. It also comes with the dual telescopic fence option, where you will find it easy to align the fence depending on your needs. This table saw is the way they have designed aspects of the table to ensure you can get access to different accessories. It allows you to set up the miter gauge and access wrenches, or even aspects of the fence, without wondering where on earth you put everything. This table saw weighs only 48 pounds, so moving it around is not a problem. With the versatility, ease of use, and a more than suitable dust collection system, I feel this table saw is ideal for most projects. The number 3 position is held by SKil T99T1. This SKil saw model could be the perfect solution if you have never used a table saw before. It comes with a slightly smaller blade size at 8 1/4 inches. It has a rip capacity of 25 inches, which is adequate, while there is also the option for a 45-degree bevel. It also has both a battery and a cord, so it gives real portability, further enhanced by the simple fact that this model is extremely lightweight. The base is compact and sturdy, while the saw is highly reliable. It has a maximum of 2 5/8 inches, which then drops to 1 7/8 inches when you get to 45 degrees. Next at number 4, we have SKil TS6307-00. SKil TS6307-00 comes with 15 ampere power and offers you a 10 inches blade size, which is more than enough to rip through stock. I find the rip capacity to be slightly below par, but at 25.5 inches, it's still more than enough for most people starting out. Also, the maximum cutting depth is slightly more than you would expect, measuring in at 3.5 inches. From a speed perspective, this table saw gets up to 4,600 RPM, which is adequate for a number of projects. Overall, I feel this table saw does deliver smooth enough cuts, while it does come with a self-aligning rip fence. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Bosch 10-inch portable Jobsite table saw GT1031. Bosch GT1031 model sheer power with a 15 ampere motor offering 4 HP and speeds of up to 5,000 RPM. It comes with a standard 10 inches blade, and while the rip capacity is smaller than most at 18 inches, it strikes a balance between real portability and still offering you more than enough space for large projects. It also comes with their Smart Guard system, which prevents kickbacks and offers you absolute protection. That alone builds confidence in using the table saw, knowing it can stop various bad things from happening. The square lock fence is easy to adjust, and you can quickly set up this table saw to deliver perfect cuts in no time. Overall, this model offers so much for not a lot of money. Oh, and you can even carry it in one hand if you want. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.